hits.
I'm cold.
Hello, Chanel Ryan. I am a model and actress. You know me from FHM, Maxim. I have a few films coming out in the horror genre actually. Circus of the Dead, opposite horror legend Bill Oberst Jr. Dead Sea with Scream Queen Divinity Pin. And Alice D. I play Kate Potter's evil psychic. You know, my favorite part about coming to WonderCon is all the costumes. The fans that get dressed up really make the show. And of course, today's Sunday and it's a little bit of a slower day, so of course there's no one in the aisle right now, but normally I could pull 10 people into frame with me. For the latest with my acting career, you can go to IMDb, just look at my name. My website, ChanelRyan.com. There are links to all my social media at the bottom of the page. I have a Twitter account. I believe it's just at my name, at Chanel Ryan, ChanelRyan. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. Instagram is my new favorite. I love taking pictures and posting them, and I love looking at everything.